Alright, welcome back everybody. This is Josh over at Lead and Iron, and I have an unboxing video adding to my, I guess, work stuff. I have a Sony a6600 that I got from Best Buy. I kind of want to be able to get overhead shots and stuff, and doing it with one camera just isn't. I mean, I guess you could do it, but it's just a little harder. This would just make it easier. And I figure I get a dabble into 4K. Though my Canon M50, the one I'm using this to record this video, also has 4K as well. But we'll unbox it and see what's going on. Paperwork. Looks like some instructions, interchangeable lenses, looks like in French. Okay, reference guide, lens and accessories, put that aside, and limited warranty, and then also register your product for a chance to win $1,000. So, probably ain't gonna win that. Let's get that out of the way. Get this box open, and we have the camera strap. We have a battery. Probably gonna need that. Oh. My battery, USB connector, wall charger, camera strap, and then viewfinder protector. We'll go here next. Okay, this is the lens. Try not to drop it, so that's just why I'm kind of going, kind of get off center here a little bit. Okay, lens accessory, the lens that came with this. This is an upgraded lens. This isn't like that pancake one that normally comes. This is the 18mm through 135mm lens. Now I almost bought the A7 III. I almost bought that. I was like really close. But for what I want and what I need, this works better. So, alright. The camera comes out. It's like a paper. Alright. So, there she is. But now I'm not like I'm moving away from Canon, or, you know, I'm just happy that I hear that these cameras have great pictures, so. Okay. Let's look back in here. I don't see anything else. Do you? Oops. Put that aside. Alright, bell of the ball. So here is the Sony Alpha is what A stands for, Alpha 6600. This comes equipped to run 4K video, and also has the steady shot. For $500-600 more, I could have got the A7 III, but I really don't take a lot of pictures, and this, other than of course having the crop sensor, it's pretty much the same. So always go with what you're, what you plan on using it for. And I just want to use it, to make some videos. So I mean, I probably will get into doing some kind of shoots and stuff, but not like professionally. So this is going to suit me just fine. And it seems that I'll probably need to charge this, but I guess start finding Sony lenses, and I want to get like a cover for this though. A cover, and then maybe like a screen protector for both of these. I think it'd be kind of cool. Just a little accessories. I want more batteries, like maybe 2 or 3 more. 2 more will probably work. And then get the same as I got for my Canon, the one that you plug in the wall and you just kind of let it run. I do have a SD card for it already, and I believe I think another reason why I wanted to go this route is because, yeah, so the SD card is on the side. So when you're like mounted to a gimbal, like my Canon M50, so my Canon M50, the SD card goes in where the battery is, and that's at the bottom. So you have to, like, after you finish balancing it and everything, and you want to take your SD card out, you have to take it off the gimbal, which, I mean, it's just a hassle, but not necessarily like a deal breaker. So other than batteries and maybe like a new like cover and screen protectors, I don't know what else I would want to do, but I do want to start using this as soon as possible. This feels really good in my hand. The full frame one was really, it was a little heavier. I think it was like probably 100 grams heavier, but I'm gonna probably put this on too. That might get in the way. Another reason I went with this is because this does, I'm gonna put you guys down. This does pop out like so, and then up, and hard to do this one-handed, over, so you get to be able to see what's going on. So that was like a big selling point. Of course 4K was a big selling point. What I wanted to use it for was a big selling point, because I'm going to tell you that A7 III looked amazing. It's a beautiful camera, but I'm very happy with this. It was a little pricey, but I feel it was well worth the money. Now I'll know that when I first shoot a video in it, and then I'll let you guys know exactly how much better this is. Well, like I said, don't get me wrong, this Canon M50 is no slouch. It's a well-balanced camera. I'm pretty sure this is a very well-balanced camera. The value for me in saving the $500-600 from the other camera, from the A7 III, it just wasn't there for me. So as much as I thought I wanted that camera, at the end of it, I chose this one. And I couldn't be happier. This thing is nice. So let me know what you guys want to know in the comments about this camera. I'll do my best to answer those questions, as I am also just kind of like really getting into this stuff, and I'm starting to see how important equipment is when you're doing, you know, like videography and stuff. So I mean, like I said, let me know what you guys think, what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know, and I'll do my best to answer those questions. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing. I'm going to put this guy on now. I'm going to put this battery in and see if I need to charge it. Then probably put the lens on. And then I'll come back to you guys. This is what it looks like with the lens. The battery is dead, so I am going to have to charge it. But there's the lens. It's an 18mm by 135mm that it came with. There's a protector on here for the viewfinder and side profile. I'm glad I have a camera bag, because this thing is pretty gorgeous. That's what it looks like. I wish I could have turned it on for you guys, but that was just a shot, you know.